Hello everyone, Mike Gaitis here, commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial, helping you buy, sell, and lease commercial real estate here in Central Florida. Today I'm here with Bryan Fifer, owner and operator of Bryan Fifer State Farm Insurance, and Tara Zele, who's the Director of Operations and Customer Service with Bryan. Bryan has been with State Farm since 2007 and has had his own agency for over 8 years. Bryan and Tara are passionate about working with their customers, protecting their assets and their income. Bryan, Tara, thank you for being here today.
Thank you, Mike. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
So today, I really wanted to talk about business operations and some insurance questions. Bryan, could you tell us some of the key differences when you're insuring residential property versus commercial property?
Sure. When you own a residential property, you need to insure it for the home that you're living in. You're going to have some risk associated with that because you might have people over, somebody could get hurt on your property, so you have liability. And you're insuring the building itself because that's your primary home. If there was a hurricane, a fire, any kind of damage, you need to have money inside the policy to be able to rebuild the home itself. And then you're also going to have all your personal property. Mm-hmm. So a lot of that actually transfers over to a business policy or commercial policy. So for many people, if you own a business, you still need the liability. Somebody could get hurt in your business or because of your business. You're still going to need to have contents. So most businesses, they have furniture, they have electronics, they have a lot of things that go into that building. As you know, a lot of times if somebody is purchasing a new construction and they're going to have to go in and also do tenant improvements.
Sure.
So if they're going to spend $100,000 building out that gray shell, we also need to make sure there's enough money inside the policy to be able to build that out for them again if there was a major claim. And then, of course, they're also going to have the contents for all their personal property. Like I said, that's really a big deal. If somebody broke in and stole those items, or if there was a hurricane, anything was damaged, if there was a flood inside of their unit, there needs to be some special insurance. But the big key is just you need to communicate with your agent and let them know how you're using the property. So if it's truly a business use, you need to make sure you have a business policy, because if you had a claim and it was found out at that time, you might not have coverage.
Very good. Bryan, Tara, I really want to thank you for having me out here today. If someone wanted to learn more about the Bryan Fifer State Farm Insurance Agency, what's the best way for someone to do that?
Well, thank you, Mike. We appreciate the opportunity to connect with you and getting to know you a little bit deeper. If anybody would love to work with me, my agency, my team, best thing to do is just go ahead and reach out to us by phone or on our website. They can go to bryanfifer.com. There's a form at the bottom where they can fill out some information, and that comes right to us that we can reach out to them. They can actually attach their insurance documents right there if they want us to review. Speaking of reviews, go to Google, just put our name in there. You'll be able to read all the different Google reviews. Those are one-on-one testimonials from our customers. You'll really get a feel for our office by not only reading the reviews, but also seeing the pictures on there.
And when we say Bryan, you say Fifer.
Fifer. Well, thanks so much, guys. And I really want to thank the good folks over at Splash Social Marketing for putting on this video series. They help businesses of all sizes with their social media, their marketing, their website. They can be reached at splashsocialmarketing.com. Again, I'm Mike Gaitis, commercial real estate broker with Go Florida Commercial. Thank you.